What's going on, guys? Today we're about to do a fuel pump on this Integra. Boy here is going to boost it soon.
You know, brand new Walbro 255. So this car is actually like not even near ready. I mean, you can check this out right here.
Well, anyways, he's about to get it tuned in like 2 weeks or so.
Man, not even enough time, I feel, but we're gonna make it happen.
First thing you gotta do is take out the back seat because the fuel pump's underneath. All right, here's the other side that you gotta take out.
Yeah, sorry, my car's a fucking mess.
Oh, gosh. Sorry.
Here's that clip that's pretty much holds in the back seat, and it's right here. Kind of just pull the carpet back, and the seat. It's kind of a weird piece, but I kind of just used a Phillips screwdriver. So the seat should be ready to remove. All right, so pretty much what happens after you remove those pins that are on the far side, well, what I did, I just fucking hit it really hard and it popped out of these right here, and then the seat just started moving. So free, and I pulled these off, these tabs. So then, you know, we just took the seat out. There's one half over there. So I guess without this nut there, this should pull up. Oh, okay, got the seat belts in. So just tap those out. This is kind of in the way. What is this? Not too sure. On the way out. There we go. Voila. There we go, boys. I think that did when I opened it like that.
He's out there opening the gas cap, so I'll let the pressure out.
Okay, let's go back to it. Looks pretty simple. We got 3 Phillips. There we go. Should be about ready to come up. Let's be careful with that. See, we got some wires. Just be careful. First, you gotta get into a really crazy stance where your crotch is open. Gotta make sure you got your trusty dusty. Oh, we got. Well, fuck, that's a lot of gas, bro. Let me not disconnect that one. You see it? So I guess what is this? I don't know what this is. It looks to be a clip. Okay, it definitely is.
Next thing is to remove this clip.
I guess. Why is it so fucking ghetto? I don't want to fuck shit up. I should probably go get a fucking flathead.
Press the other side.
Yeah, press it in there. Damn, that shit's nasty, dude. Oh. What's that? What was that? It's still in. There's a clip right here. What did I take off of it? What is this? Learn something new every day, huh? Okay.
Next thing is to remove those 10.
Gate. Gate.
What is that?
Get a little. Try to show we got an extension. it's on there like swimwear, dude. Let me, there we go. If I can just break this one off now. Jesus Christ. Any plans, Danny? Jesus Christ. Oh, there we go. Let me get some light on the inside, make sure. A lot of fucking gas in here. There she is, boys. Damn, bro. There she is, boys. So there she is. 97 Integra GSR fuel pump. Not too bad.
So here goes the replacement. What kind of fuel pump is this, Ace?
This is a Walbro 255. Brand new. Came with the kit and everything for like 80 bucks shipped.
And how much power are you looking to make out of it?
Man, I'm looking for like 325. And I think I'd be happy. Look at that. Let's get it. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess we're moving. So, okay, how do you... Be wrong, but I'm gonna pop this out, okay? Little ring.
That's right, because we did a...
Well, fuck me in that. Okay, there we go. Now it's turning. It's free. Let me take this off too. Sorry. Go ahead and bring these all the way to the top so none are there. Oh, we got that one. That is terrifying. Fucking cunt. Well, Danny, why just fucking leave that one there? Oh, dude, this whole time there was instructions?
We are the instructions.
Oh, that's right. Okay, so we got a new sock. Okay, got new ones of these. Good deal. We got, we don't know what that is. And, okay. Oh, it came with a brand new lock. Ooh. All right. Does this go over this, Danny?
Yeah, there you go.
Let's see. And this went over it. Well, I guess it went like this. We'll call it like that. Okay, so let's get the new sock on. Force this shit on. Okay, there we go. Making progress. We're good in the hood. Antioch, Tennessee, baby.
What do you have in your hand?
Have this little nut, or this little like a lock washer, I guess you would call it. I'm gonna.
Is it what?
The fucking champion of eating ass. Should have lubed it. Should have dipped in some. Okay, there we go. Ooh. She's deep, fellas. I think that'll be all right. I mean, that's like right there. What do you think?
Should be alright. It's about the same location as the stock.
Girl. I know you want this, dude. Okay, okay. Dan, I think we're making progress, boy. All right, boys. Got lube her up, fellas. There we go. And that's in. So let me see that. Let me go ahead and pull this clip back down before we go any further. Fuck you. That looks good. Yeah. Gonna get this clip back in. Like a glove. They popping off. Now this.
There you go.
There we have it, fellas. Brand new walbro 255 installed. Had no idea what we were doing. Oh, what's this? Let's get it. So, wait a minute. Gotta go in at an angle. You can hear my car moaning. Where's that clip? It's right there. And be careful to not make anything fly in there, because we've almost lost a few things in there, right, Danny?
You're right. Only this guy who had this problem.
Facts. Sure, go in star pattern. Alright, get this hose clamp back on. Like a glove, baby. What the fuck is this? Dude, I still don't even know what that fucking yellow thing was that came out for this.
Hey man, this is not a camera, man.
Sorry.
You both think we don't know what we're doing.
That's it. I think that's it. I believe it. Oh well, of course this flimsy ass thing right here.
That's it, boys. We're done.
All right, and that's how you replace and upgrade your factory fuel filter, if I can even find it. I have no idea where it is. Oh, it's in my lap. Your factory fuel filter.
Fuel pump?
Oh, fuel pump. Fuck, my bad. Let's reset. Let's reset that. Restart that. You have to cancel the video. Ready? Make sure these are tight. You're don't want these coming off while you're hitting boost. 500 horsepower. That's it. That's how you replace your factory fuel pump with a aftermarket walbro 255. Gonna leave that right there. Double the power.
And are you gonna put your seat back in?
Probably not.
Why not?
It's a lot of work.
Oh, I thought your seat was weight reduction.
That too. Okay, weight reduction, and that's a lot of work. Just kidding.
God, this is lazy.
I am. It's raining. It's nasty outside.